let me tell you about the wildest Monday our office ever had. It started when our overworked copy machine, Copy Carl, decided enough was enough. At exactly 9:07 a.m., Carl made his stand. Janet from accounting needed to print 300 pages for a meeting. Carl printed the first 10 pages and then coughed, grunted, and flashed every warning light like a disco ball. But Janet, determined to be on time, pressed the button harder. Carl responded by spitting out pages, blank ones, upside down ones, and one that had last week's lunch menu. Suddenly, Carl beeped so loudly it startled Mr. Waters, the manager. He rushed over, tripping spectacularly over a rolling chair. His coffee did a somersault and landed right in the paper tray. Carl slurped it up and, as if possessed, started printing wild doodles, pirates, chickens, and what looked suspiciously like Janet's dog in a tutu. The whole office gathered round, some confused, most amused. Then, Carl let out a final whir, opened his side panel, and launched the meeting agenda straight into the air. The pages fluttered down like snowflakes. People cheered. Someone started filming for TikTok. Even grumpy old Pete from IT was laughing. Janet, clutching her pirate-riddled handouts, looked at Carl and declared, "From now on, all printing requests go through the fax." So ended the reign of Copy Carl. But once a month, right on Monday, you can still hear a faint beep echoing in the break room, reminding everyone, even machines have a sense of humor.